Let me introduce you to a man you probably haven't heard about, but interact with every day. He didn't speak perfect English. He grew up dirt poor. He worked as a cleaner to survive. He wasn't a genius by any academic standard, and yet, he built an app that sold for $19 billion. His name? Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp. Jan was born in a small Ukrainian village. At 16, he and his mother escaped hardship and moved to the United States. But life wasn't easy. They lived on food stamps. Jan cleaned floors at a grocery store to help pay the bills. No laptop. No fancy education. No connections. But Jan had one thing: focus. He wasn't the smartest, but he was the most disciplined. He saw one problem: people wanted to message for free. He solved it, simply and effectively. He hated ads, so he didn't include any. He built an app that just worked, no buzzwords. No startup hype. Just consistency. WhatsApp became a threat to tech giants. Even Facebook tried to compete, but Jan stayed focused. In 2014, Facebook gave up and bought WhatsApp for $19 billion. Jan signed the deal at the same welfare office where he used to collect food stamps. Today, he's worth $16.5 billion. You don't need to be brilliant to be wealthy. You need to be disciplined, focused, and consistent. Subscribe for more real-life tech stories like this, and smash that like button if this inspired you.